Today we are solving question 209, minimum size subarray sum in LeetCode. So let's go ahead and learn and code together. In this question, we are given an array nums with positive integers, and we are given a target that is one single integer, and we are tasked with finding a subarray. It's very important. Subarray within nums that equals target, but we want to find the shortest length of possible subarrays that equal 7 within nums. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, we are going to initialize a left pointer, which is going to be equal to 0. We're going to also initialize a total, which is going to be 0 as well. And then we're also going to initialize an answer value, which is going to be equal to infinity. And we'll see why you'll see why we're doing that in a little bit. But essentially, from here, we need to start a for loop as our right pointer. So we'll say for r in the range of the length of nums. From here, we need to calculate our total. So our total will be equal to the to the right pointer. So we'll say plus equals nums r, and that will get a running total of all the values it iterates through. And then we'll say if total is greater than or equal to the target, we're going to go ahead and update our answer value. So we'll say answer is equal to the min of our right pointer minus our left pointer plus 1. Let me add that extra parentheses. Or the minimum of answer. So if we found a lower value, it will update it. If not, it will just keep the same value. And then we need to update our left pointer. So we'll say left plus equals 1. And then at the end, we can go ahead and say return our answer value, we'll say return 0 if our answer value has not changed, because you can see right here, if there's no such subarray that exists, we can return 0. So we'll say return 0 if answer is unchanged. So we'll say return 0 if answer still equals infinity. Else, we'll just return our answer value. But one thing we have to update here is we can actually make this a while loop. So we'll say while total is greater than or equal to target. And then we also need to make sure that we are updating the value of total. So we'll say total minus equals nums left, because as we are moving our window, we need to make sure that we are removing the last index value. So let's go ahead and run that. Works for all of them. Let's go ahead and submit this. Awesome, and we get a great runtime. So that is my solution to question 209, minimum size subarray sum in LeetCode. If you guys learned anything at all, go ahead and leave a like on the video. Go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell. Helps me out a ton, and I appreciate it a lot. So have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.